recording.
Yeah.
I made someone with the creator badge. Yeah. Right?
Guys, I'm new to the game.
Hi.
I'm new to the game.
You're facing a YouTuber on the first day of your playing.
Wait, I'm new.
Did he just hear me or did?
I play Gorilla Tag.
Hey, dude.
Not cracking that in Gorilla Tag.
Well, you shouldn't have downloaded this game. Well, you should have, but you shouldn't. What did you download it for? Why did you download it? Did you download it for the horror? Did you download it for the horror? Guys, I'm gonna go into horror. I need to find all my buttons, but I know where they are.
What's PvP? You want PvP? I beat you in PvP.
Button. I'm recording a video right now. I'm recording a video. Up and he got banned. Okay. Boop.
Behind the shop and then behind the fountain.
I know.
And then
Stealer is fine. Can't you see this? Dude, I'm so lucky right now. Dude, I'm so lucky. Alright, 84. No, dude, don't do that. Do this. It spams it. What? Dude, stop. You scared me.
come with me. No, come with me, someone.
Yeah, I've got that
Why
whole
did you call
thing.
me Lucas?
Wait,
You call me Lucas.
I said Lucas. You know I'm in a public lobby, right? Oh my god. Just exit my room, dude. I didn't give you permission to enter.
What happened to the game mode?
You can take them out of my room. That'd be nice. Juniper, out! Oh, cause I don't want a dog in my room. She isn't crying. Oh my god. Grab back! Wait! Yo! Wait! Everyone! Everyone, come back up! Come back up! Come back up! Hey, you! You! Earth! 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 I have amazing news! Earth! 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 Hey! Hold me! So you're gonna press body, okay? Press body. And then press this button once. Look! There's still a grab pack, but we need to find it.
Come on, let's go find it. What are you waiting for?
We need to find out how to get the grab pack.
What?
We need to find out how to get the grab pack. It's not in shop anymore, I don't think.
We need to get the grab pack.
Like, dude, I don't think it's in shop anymore.
No way they actually have that back.
No, it's not in shop anymore.
That's so sad, bro.
But we need to go. Wait, hold up. Hold up. Is it? Can it may be in here. It may be in one of these. Why? But hold on. Let me see if I can buy it. Buy. Come on. Please let me buy this once. Nope, I can't buy it.
Hello, user. Welcome to
Bye.